Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. I hope that you're having a wonderful day and that you are doing well. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you what is inside my November sipsby box, and I'm joined with Alice who's going to help me open it up. Are you excited to see the different teas inside? Are you? She may be. If you didn't know, sipsby is a tea subscription box service based in the US and it's female owned and they are amazing. They're so much fun to open and review. I do have a code from them. If you use the code TLOVE in all capital letters, it does save you $5 off your first box. I also wanted to say a huge thank you to sipsby for gifting me this box to enjoy and review. I'm so excited to see what teas are in here. November, if you didn't know, is my birthday month, so I'm very excited and curious to see what kind of teas they're going to pick out for the month of November. You can definitely go with some autumn teas, but since we're also approaching the holiday season, it's kind of exciting because maybe there's a couple more holiday themed too. So very excited to open this up with all of you guys. So if you're ready to see what is inside my November sipsby box, make sure to grab a delicious cup of tea. I am enjoying, or I guess I should say finishing up, some sugar cookie matcha from DAVIDsTEA. This is so good. It's new for this year if you haven't tried it, and I definitely recommend it. It is delicious. So anyway, virtual cheers, and let's get started with today's video. Okay, so we have the sipsby box here, and oh, look at that. This is so cool. They always include the November tea, and then they'll tell you a full description of the different teas that they picked out for you. And all these teas are based on your tea preferences. So it's an online quiz you take, and you can change this. So let's say you started to get a couple boxes. You're not a huge fan of the teas you've been getting. You can always go back to that quiz and change your answers and your opinions on that, and then they'll curate the box for you based on those new preferences. So let's zoom on in and take a closer look inside. So let me just move that. Here are the different teas in here, and I'm already seeing some really delicious things. So let's pull them out one by one and go from there. Okay, so the first thing I'm gonna pull out is little tea sachets that come out of the box. So in my subscription box, I said that I like loose tea and I like tea bags, so I like a mixture. And they always include these when you get loose leaf tea, so it's very easy for you to make. You don't need your own little steeper or anything. They include the bags, little tea sachets, which I love. They're super cute too. The next item I'm pulling out is a tea by Yogi, which is so cool. There's 4 tea sachets here, tea bags, and I'm excited. This is a brand I used to buy a lot when I was in college, so I'm very excited to try. A sweet tangerine, positive energy, supports elevated mood and energy levels. That sounds amazing and something I think I definitely can use during the autumn, winter months. I feel like getting as much energy as possible with the less sunlight and stuff is always very appealing to me. Inside here we have black tea, mate, lemongrass, green tea. There's some lemon, some stevia leaf, which I'm not sure about the stevia leaf, but we'll see about that. There's also ginseng in there, some orange peel. They do say that this tea is high caffeine and that this tea combines herbs to uplift the spirit with Assam black tea and green mate to provide energy. Okay, moving along, this looks good. What is this? Mint sage. This sounds really appealing. This is by Choice Organics, which is a brand I discovered through sipsby. I've had some teas from them before in my boxes. So this is a herbal tea, mint sage. It sounds so good. And inside here we have peppermint leaf, sage leaf, lemon peel, spearmint. There's eucalyptus in here, licorice root, lavender. Oh my gosh, I love lavender. Lavender flower and lavender extract. That just sounds so delicious. They say this is caffeine-free, cool and lively. Mint sage is a creative take on a classic blend. Refreshing mint is complementary by earthy floral notes. So this sounds really appealing and good. I definitely love the eucalyptus. It sounds like a very calming tea, one that I might want to have before bed or if I'm having a stressful day and I just need to unwind. This sounds really appealing, so I'm excited to try this one. This tea was so amazing. I have to get more. I highly recommend it. Moving along, we have 2 more teas and I'm really excited about this. I think it's birthday matcha. Birthday cake matcha, sweet, creamy, oh no way. I love matcha, as probably a lot of you guys know if you watch a lot of my videos on my YouTube channel, especially my tea videos or seeing the tea of the day in my video. I'm usually drinking matcha, and it's my birthday in November. It was on November 3rd, and they sent me birthday cake matcha. That couldn't even be more perfect. I am so thrilled. Now, what is this brand? It's by 3 Leaf, which I've never heard of. This is the birthday cake matcha by 3 Leaf Tea. And they recommend 175 degrees Fahrenheit. It's a medium caffeine, and this is what they have to say about it. Want to have your cake and drink it too? This birthday cake matcha is a sweet, creamy, and balanced healthy treat. Oh my goodness, guys, I might have to make this tea for the video with you guys. Like, this sounds so good. And they recommend 3 easy ways to prepare matcha. So I'm actually, if you guys don't know, I've been like traveling a lot. So I haven't, like, my favorite way to make matcha is with the whisk. But I've been traveling, so I either do 2 different things while I'm traveling. I either use my DAVIDsTEA shaker bottle. It's wonderful. It's actually the matcha shaker. It's made to make matcha on the go. It's super wonderful. Or I just use a handheld frother. Both of those methods work really well for me. So I think I'm gonna make this tea, you guys. I'm so excited. So I had to make birthday cake matcha, and I decided to make it with both methods, the handheld frother as well as the DAVIDsTEA shaker. Both methods work so great and are super handy when you're traveling. Now, as for the birthday cake matcha, for both of them, I ended up going back and adding some sugar to them. I couldn't taste the birthday cake flavor as strongly as I wanted to, and I found adding the sweetener to this worked perfectly. And here's a look at my matcha latte birthday cake. It's so frothy. I love it, like a frothy latte, and it was so delicious. And this mug also is from DAVIDsTEA, and I love it. It's so fun. And here I'm pouring into my Gatsby mug. This mug is so sweet. Ella's on there with angel wings. I have Alice there and the mountains, and I just love this mug. They do wonderful custom mugs if you're looking for a nice Christmas gift. And as you can see, the frothy goodness, so delicious. All right, and then the last tea we have, oh my gosh, vanilla lemongrass. Is this a green tea or a herbal tea? It's by Calafia tea, I believe that's how you pronounce it, and it's a vanilla lemongrass loose leaf tea. There's orange peels, apples, raisins, lemongrass, vanilla. It's caffeine free, so it is a herbal tea. It's a beautifully aromatic. This calming tea perfectly blends the warmth of vanilla, the comfort of lemongrass, and the subtle sweetness of dried fruit. I love the packaging on this. There's like lots of little, oh, actually they're all cactuses and a couple little leaves. This looks so cute, and I'm actually loving like 2 very nice calming teas, because I think especially November, you know, in the build up to the holidays, it's like busy and go, go, go. And sometimes if you're a student, you're studying, there's all this stuff, different things going on in November. So I love that they did like a couple more calming caffeine-free teas just to kind of chill out for the day. And then I'm excited. I also got 2 energizing teas, so the matcha and then that high caffeine one, like the energy boost one. Anyway, you guys, that is it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed seeing what is inside my November sipsby box. I am so excited about the different teas in this box, especially the birthday cake matcha. Oh my gosh, so amazing. If you guys do sipsby, I'd love to know what you received in your November box. Please let me know down below. I will list all the names of the teas down below in the description bar of this video, as well as some links on where you can shop sipsby. Also in the description bar, there are some affiliate links or commission links, which means I do earn a small percentage of the sale if you decide to purchase one of the items. A huge thank you in advance if you do use those links. It really does help me out a lot. Anyway, I'm wishing you a magical, wonderful rest of your day. Stay safe, take care, and I'll see you in my next video. Virtual cheers.